We still on the way. I just had to make a pit stop at the MGM real quick. Hold on, let me show you something. This is nice. Yeah. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. All right, so quick little pit stop. Headed to the last one. Headed out to White Plains, Maryland, on the way. Best part is that's close to where I live, so today should be breezy. Again, I probably should have valeted. I didn't valet, but I valeted in my own way. Y'all don't steal a cheat code, man. Remember, people respect cones. They respect cones, even at great establishments such as the MGM. They respect the cone, baby. It wasn't cones I used. It was just hazards this time. Just the hazards. Hold on. Ow, look at that yellow thing. What that yellow say? Biggest day. They weren't talking to me though. They were talking to somebody else. They weren't talking to me. Y'all nosy too. No, I wasn't gambling. I don't gamble. You see how nice this hotel is and this casino is? You know how nice it is? You think it's built off of winners? Man, that place is built off of losers. I don't care what you say. You could win, but I'm sure you lost a lot, though. Anyway, if you must know, it's a bathroom break. They got really nice bathrooms. So another thing, cheat code. You travel around a lot, you figure out who has really nice and comfortable bathrooms. Music playing and all that. Two-ply. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, shout out to you. All right, officially arrived at the last stop. We're going to do one TV, I believe. One TV with a flat bracket. All right, so we're about to put this one here, up here. Yeah, that, there. That one, there. All right, let's do it. All right, one more time. So we got TV. Hold on, we all set. Yep, there it is. All right, y'all, we all set. That right there was another quick little one, 175. So we add that to the number that we talked about before. And times that by the number that we had before. I was about to quote a Jay-Z line, but ruined it. All right, I don't remember the other number, so I think I said it was 8. Let's just say 875. So you add that. So that's 1050. Yeah. So we had 1050 for the day. Remember our daily goal was 325, so that put us at a whopping like 383%. No, I'm sorry, 2,767% to target. Again, with the math thing. Don't do it. All right, y'all, we're going to recap this thing on tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. I'm done. That's 6 days, path to 100K. We did it. I mean, we didn't do the 100K, no, but we chomping at the bits.